presenting our EV designed to transform urban mobility. Next slide, please.
Fourth one again.
The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, but adoption still faces a major challenge. One of the biggest problems is charging time. Vehicles often require 30 to 45 minutes to charge, which is inefficient for fleet operators. Range anxiety, high battery cost, infrastructure gaps, and many such problems. Next slide, please. This is where battery swapping becomes a game-changing solution. Instead of waiting for charging, you can just swap depleted batteries with fully charged ones in minutes. This enables 24/7 availability, reduces operational cost, and improves vehicle utilization significantly. Volstream aims to remove these barriers and accelerate EV adoption through smart battery swapping infrastructure.
Okay, now coming to the strategy. From a strategic perspective, India presents a massive opportunity for EV infrastructure solutions, and the EV market has grown significantly from 45 billion in 2020 to 280 billion in just 4 years, supported by the government initiative like FAM2 and increasing consumer awareness. However, charging infrastructure still remains insignificant, creating a strong opportunity for the battery swapping networks. Next slide, please. Okay, when we analyze competitors such as Ather Energy, Gogoro, and Hero Electric, Volstream differentiate itself through faster swap time of just 3 to 5 minutes and expanding coverage and AI-driven logistics optimization. Our positioning is clear. Volstream aims to become a differentiation leader in EV battery swapping infrastructure.
So Volstream operates through an AI-powered battery swapping ecosystem designed for efficiency and scalability. A user can request swap through mobile apps, receive GPS navigation to nearest stations, and automated robotic system replace battery within seconds. Battery diagnostics and cloud analytics ensure performance monitoring of predictive maintenance. Next slide. So our go-to-market plan begins with pilot launch in Bangalore with 5 stations, followed by expansion to Mumbai and then to Delhi. By the end of the year, we are target over 50 operational stations and profitability by milestones. Our operation strategy focuses on rapid development, strategic partnership, and scalable infrastructure. Now Shivam will carry forward with the marketing strategy.
So Volstream focuses on high usage EV segments where downtime directly impacts revenue. As we can see that there are several urban commuters who travel daily and uses EV for the daily mobilization to their places. And the second is the fleet operators. There are several commercial EV fleets that operate around 18 to 14 hours per day, making charging downtime a major cost driver. As we all know that we travel to Rithala metro station by the mode of EV only. So the downtime, their charging require a downtime of around 5 to 6 hours. So we are just reducing the downtime by our company methods. So even 1 hour of charging downtime can reduce daily earning by 10 to 15% for fleet drivers. E-commerce, and the third segment is e-commerce and last mile delivery companies. India last mile delivery market is projected to exceed 6 to 8 billion by 2030, with EVs becoming the default choice for cost efficiency and ESG compliance. So next slide. So the value proposition of our Volstream is we are providing battery swapping as a software. We are not only swapping batteries. We are enabling battery swapping with the help of AI. So our first core promise is there is near zero downtime. Instant AI enabled battery swaps in under 3 minutes compared to 3-6 hours for conventional charging. Lower total cost of ownership. Battery as a service removes upfront battery costs which typically account for 30 to 40% of EV vehicle prices. And the third core premise is predictable operating expense. Subscription or pay per swap pricing converts unpredictable charging cost into manageable operating expense. So it directly supports the India's net zero goals and urban emissions reduction measures. Now Mayank will take on the finance projections.
Next slide, please. Yeah.
So now I will take you through the finance and revenue model of the Wallstream and explain how this business model is scalable, profitable and sustainable. So we have three primary revenue streams. First is paper swap, where we have rupees 20 to 30 per battery swap. The second one is monthly subscription, that is around rupees 1500 to 3000. And the third one is corporate and fleet contracts, where pricing is volume based and negotiated at scale. Now, next slide. Yeah, coming to the financial projection and growth milestone. In year one, Wallstream is going to reach rupees 25 crore, supported by pilot operations and early expansion. During this year, we will be operating 50 stations, build a base of around 5,000 active users, and validating the business model. In year second, revenue growth grows to rupees 45 crore, representing around 80% growth. And in the year third, we will be having a 75 crore showcase and 75% acceleration with around 75,000 active subscribers.
Thank you so much for actively listening. Wallstream is not just a battery swapping company. It is an infrastructure platform enabling the future of electric mobility. With the right technology, strategy and partnerships, we aim to become India's leading EV battery network. Thank you.
2 क्वेश्चन फटाफट है, बस पूछने वाला नहीं है. ओके, नेक्स्ट कंपनी.